Maraming bagong investors nagtatanong, ano ba talaga ang tamang way sa pag-invest? The truth is, wala namang one size fits all. It really depends on the kind of investors you are. Kaya let's find out which ones fits you the best. Hi guys, I'm Paul. In today's video, pag-uusapan natin ang iba't ibang klase ng investors at kung ano ang investing style na pwede mong gayahin or sundan para mas padali ang iyong investing journey. Quick disclaimer lang, this is not my profession and I'm just sharing my knowledge. Feel free to comment down below and I'll be happily to discuss it with you. Remember to do your own research and invest at your own risk. So, ayun, iba't ibang klaseng investors. Meron tayong long-term investors, short-term investors, and sabihin natin hybrid investors. So, ang long-term investors, ito yung mga taong bumibili ng mga stocks with the intention na hawakan sila for more than a decade until mag-grow lang na mag-grow. They don't really care sa daily price movement kasi ang focus nila is sa growth ng company over time. Usually, nagbabay sila kapag strong ang fundamentals ng company. Binebenta lang nila yung stocks nila if alam nilang may major changes na nangyari or declining ng business. So, short-term investors or traders basically. Ito yung mga taong bumibili ng stocks kapag mababa. Tapos, binebenta agad nila kapag tumaas na to. So, basically, capital appreciation yung habol nila. Focus sila sa quick gains. So, minsan umabot ito ng days or months. Pero hindi siya umabot ng years. Depende. Depende rin, actually. Riskier siya for me kasi kailangan ng timing and technical analysis. But, possible na mas higher ang return nito kapag tama ang strategy na ginawa. Next is hybrid investors. Basically, parang nagba-buy and take profit lang sila. And may times na nag-hold rin sila, ganun. So, basically, may ibang investors na mahilig mag-take profit kapag kumikita na yung stocks nila. Halimbawa, bumili ka ng 10 pesos and then naging 15 pesos ito. Yung iba, binibenta nila yung portion ng hawak nila. So, nag-take profit na sila ng konti and then hinohold nila yung iba. Para, in the long run, lumago pa ito. Parang nangyayari is, kumikita ka na, pero meron ka pa rin investment sa loob. Though, I know na marami pang types of investors or way of investing, pero yan yung mga kadalasan na nakikita ko and somehow na-aware ako. Personally, I lean more on being a long-term investor kasi mas gusto ko yung steady cash flow and growth over time ng pera ko. And di rin ako masyado nag-enjoy kasi sa stress ng daily trading or yung laging tipong binabantayan, ganyan. Kaya mas fit sa akin na mag-buy and hold strategy or yung tinatawag na long-term investment. So, ayun. At the end of the day, hindi importante kung ano ang ginagawa ng iba. Ang importante is kung ano yung bagay sa'yo. If you value security and patience, long-term investors ang bagay sa'yo. If you like action and risk na may higher return value ng mabilisan, short-term investor ang bagay sa'yo. If you want balance, gawin mo yung hybrid or yung may take profit and then hold yung iba. Gumagana naman ito lahat, pero ano nga ba ang pinaka gusto mo or what kind of investors you want to be? So once you figure that out, all your future buy and sell will become much easier. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and kindly subscribe. Comment down below your thoughts kung ano man ang tingin nyo dito sa video and kung ano pa yung mga gusto nyong video in the future. Bye-bye!